Hello friends, how to create such image from this image. So let's start the video. First open Photoshop and select your picture and open. Next, select quick selection tool. Then perfectly select the place where you will create the same background. After that, select clone stamp tool and fix every setting. Then select the background you want to create. Now brush it perfectly. Finally, our work is done. So in this way, we can easily create same to same background of any photo. So I hope the video was very useful for you. Stay with us by subscribing the channel to get such videos. Thank you.